the conference is going to be primarily video lectures. So we have world-class faculty from all over the world coming down, talking about everything operative in spine, skull base, vascular. We're going to have operative videos from them where they will be discussing about the nuances of each surgery. And this will be the morning session. And in the afternoon session, what we will do is we will go to the lab, and then we will do spine. The World Spine guys are doing the spine workshop, and then we'll be doing the skull base, vascular, and anastomosis workshops. So these are the 3 workshops which are going to be happening. There will also be, these workshops are also going to be televised as well as the lectures. So everything will be on Neurosurgical TV. Uttam is going to do this. And we hope to give you a good academic feast.
Okay, I guess we'll attach the schedule to this video. So very
yes,
good.
So yes, absolutely. The schedule is December 7 to 9. So December 7, 8, 9, all 3 days workshops are running, and all 3 days you'll have lectures, video lectures of surgeries running. And all my fellows are going to be here now. Gleb or Tamerlan, Oleg, all of them are going to be here. So we're going to have some fun.
Okay, we'll see you then. Thank you. We'll use that as a promo.